What if one AI workspace could take your notes, summarize long content, generate images, create videos, build presentations, answer questions, turn text into voice, and even help you study, without jumping between a dozen different tools? This is NoteGPT, and in this video I'm going to show you why its biggest advantage may be simple. Almost everything starts from one place. The first thing you notice is the dashboard. Instead of opening a separate service for every job, NoteGPT brings together tools for notes, transcription, summaries, voices, images, video, slides, AI chat, writing, and more. That means the workflow can stay in one environment. You choose the task, open the tool, add your source or prompt, and move directly to the result. Let's start with one of the most useful parts, AI Note Taker. This is built for the kind of content that usually takes time to process manually. You can bring in material such as a video link or a document, and use NoteGPT to turn that source into structured information you can work with. Instead of repeatedly pausing a long video or scanning page after page, the goal is to get the important information into a cleaner, more manageable format. For students, this can mean faster review. For professionals, it can mean getting to the main points of a report, meeting, lecture, or research source more quickly. And for creators, it gives you another way to transform existing material into ideas, notes, and content you can reuse. Now look at the image generator. You describe what you want, choose the available generation options, and NoteGPT turns the prompt into a visual. This is where the all-in-one approach becomes more interesting. The notes or ideas you just created do not have to stay as text. You can move from research to concept, and from concept to an image, inside the same workspace. That can be useful for thumbnails, social posts, presentation visuals, concept art, illustrations, and quick creative experiments. The important point is not that AI image generation exists. There are many tools that can do that. The advantage here is having it beside the rest of your workflow. The same idea continues with AI video generation. From a prompt, you can access video generation options and start turning an idea into motion. For a creator, marketer, teacher, or anyone experimenting with AI content, this can shorten the path from an idea on a page to something visual you can actually present. And if your final result needs to be a presentation, NoteGPT also includes AI slide tools. Instead of starting every deck from an empty page, you can enter the topic, provide the content, and use AI to help structure the presentation. That can make the first draft much faster, while you still decide what stays, what changes, and how the final story should be presented. Then there is AI chat. This is the part that connects the workspace together. You can ask questions, explore a topic, generate ideas, rewrite information, or use the assistant to help you decide what to do next. In practice, that means you can research, think, create, and refine without leaving the same platform every few minutes. NoteGPT also includes AI voice tools. If you have text that needs to become audio, the voice generator gives you another output format. That can be useful for narration, learning material, explainers, or testing how written content sounds when it is spoken. Again, the value is the connection. Text can become notes, notes can become a script, and a script can become voice. The visual tools also let you keep iterating. You can generate an image, adjust the prompt, try another result, and download the version that works best for your project. It is a much more practical workflow when your writing, research, and creative tools are sitting next to each other instead of being scattered across different tabs and accounts. One feature that stands out is the PDF to video workflow. A document does not have to remain a document. NoteGPT provides a way to take PDF-based content and repurpose it toward video. For teachers, students, businesses, and creators, that can open a faster route from static information to a format that is easier to present or share. And when you open the wider tools area, you start to see the real idea behind NoteGPT. It is not trying to be only a note app. It is trying to act as a hub for different AI workflows. Depending on what you are doing, you can move between summarizing, generating, converting, writing, presenting, and studying from one interface. That becomes especially useful for learning. The homework and math tools are designed to help break down difficult material and work through problems step by step. Instead of only giving you another blank chat box, NoteGPT organizes dedicated tools around specific tasks, so you can choose the workflow that matches what you are trying to accomplish. So, is NoteGPT the only AI tool you will ever need? Probably not. Different specialist tools will still be better for certain jobs, but that may not be the right question. The better question is this: how much time could you save if your notes, documents, summaries, images, videos, slides, voice tools, AI chat, and study helpers were connected in one place? That is what makes NoteGPT interesting. It is not just one feature. It is the combination. If you want me to make a deeper tutorial on one specific NoteGPT tool, tell me which one in the comments. And if you want more practical AI tools, workflows, and step-by-step demonstrations, subscribe to Fisi Tech Lab. Work smarter, create faster, and keep everything in one place.